What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing on your channel homepage in 2026. So first, simply make sure your video is actually recognized as a short. So it actually needs to be under 60 seconds and uploaded in a vertical format. Ideally, this needs to be a 9:16 ratio. Then also make sure to include hashtag shorts in the title or description just to be safe. Next, you can also go to the YouTube studio then click on customization, then layout. So under the homepage section, simply make sure the short section is added. So if it's missing, simply click add section and select short videos so they appear on your channel homepage. Now after that, you can also check your video visibility. So if the short is set to public or unlisted, it literally won't show up publicly. So simply change it to public and give YouTube a few minutes to update. Now finally, clear your browser cache or check your channel in incognito mode to confirm that the issue isn't just on your end. And once everything is set correctly, your shorts should appear on your homepage automatically. And that's it. So that's how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing on your channel homepage. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.